Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. By following the shown pattern, how many cycles will be there in pattern P? So we have in pattern 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cycles. In pattern 2 we have 8 cycles, and in pattern 3 we have 11 cycles. So number of cycles, pattern of number of cycles is 5, 18, 11 and so on. So if we look at the pattern, each next number is increased by 3 and the first number is 5. So the pattern can be found by this expression Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 d, where a is first term and d is common difference. So if we want to find the number of cycles in pth pattern, we will have Tp equal to A is 5, N is equal to P. So P minus 1 into 3. For N equal to P, 5 plus 3P minus 3 equal to 5 minus 3 plus 3P, which is equal to 3P plus 2. So in pth pattern we will have 3P plus 2 cycles. We have one more method of finding this, is that this is our first pattern. This is the number of cycles in first pattern. This in second, this in third. So to find that, what we simply do is we find 0th pattern. So number of cycles in 0th pattern, let me put it here. So number of cycles in 0th pattern is equal to 5 minus 3, since there is common difference of plus 3. From here to here there will be minus 3. So 0th pattern is 2 cycles, and since 0th pattern cannot exist, we simply add it. And this 3, that is common difference 3, is simply multiplied to the pth pattern. So pth number, P number. So this will be the total number of cycles in pth pattern, which is exactly the same number which we got by this formula. So 3p plus 2, answer is option B.